Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to use the TWIC card for TSA Precheck, okay? First, you need to basically confirm your TWIC eligibility for Precheck because not all TWIC holders get automatic TSA Precheck, so you must apply separately if you haven't done so yet. Just check your KTN number, your known traveler number status, by logging into the Universal Enroll website, and then you just need to go ahead and apply for TSA Precheck using your TWIC card, right? Go to the TSA Precheck application website, and during the process, enter your TWIC credential number as your known traveler number, and if approved, you'll receive a KTN, which links your KWIC to TSA Precheck eligibility. And at last, you just need to go ahead and use your KTN when booking flights, right? So when you're booking your airline tickets, add your KTN under your passenger details, and your boarding pass should display TSA Precheck if linked correctly. And then just go ahead and use TSA Precheck at the airport, right? Just head to the TSA Precheck lane of the security, present your boarding pass and ID. TWIC is not required here, and just enjoy faster screening without removing, shoes, belts, or laptops. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.